not just of our institute, of the nation at large, in the best way possible. How is Abhimanyu IAS implementing the idea of foundation course?
So my task at Institute is to develop strategies, to develop new courses. It is not simply a NCERT course. Exam जो है UPSC का in last 7-8 years, it has changed a lot. There is a drastic change. Questions are not very simple. It was relatively a simpler exam. The cutoff was only 88 and mains दे चुके हो नंबर नहीं आए. पढ़ रहे हैं 3 साल से लेकिन कुछ नहीं बन रहा. They require a different type of foundation. 2008 we have been telling students कि NCERT पढ़ो. So we are doing one-to-one mentorship. We will also provide skills and you will not imagine the responses. Phenomenal.
Yeah, the team tells me we have crossed 500 plus students.
Yes. Each and every student has requested us. Nowadays, if some course is free, students are not serious about it. We have never considered UPSC as a job. It's a mission. It's a passion which we have to, as teachers, we have to inculcate in them. क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना, टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करनी है, मेंस आंसर राइटिंग कैसे करनी है, न्यूज़पेपर कैसे पढ़ना है, करंट अफेयर्स क्या है, बुक्स कौन सी पढ़नी है. देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लेक्चर्स व्हिच आर देयर एंड्स अप गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड कि मैं क्या करूं, व्हिच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम पीपल हु हैव मोर देन 25 years of experience in civil service, who have seen each and every step in UPSC, who have seen students getting selected in physical classes. We are having 25 years of experience. I'm myself personally looking after the entire program with my experience. Why I will say that every student should do foundation is with us is that because we are authentic. If you prepare well, you score well.
We don't just tell you what to prepare, we also tell you what not to prepare.
And they're just madly downloading content because all are not under an umbrella of strategy. So all the students of Agaz are there with me on this WhatsApp and they message me regularly and I answer. Sometimes it goes up to 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. also.
Hello everyone, welcome to Abhimanyu IAS YouTube channel. So today we are with Bansal sir, who is our founder and chairman of the whole Abhimanyu group. So today we'll be talking about our newly launched second batch actually of our foundation course, which we have decided to call Agaz. So आज हम सर से इसके बारे में कन्वर्स करेंगे एंड हम कुछ इंसाइट्स लेंगे, बहुत वैल्यूएबल इंसाइट्स लेंगे सर से. हमें टाइम बहुत कम मिलता है सर का, बट हमें जब भी मिलता है सो वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू टेक इनसाइट्स which can benefit the students and aspirants not just of our institute but of the nation at large in the best way possible. So sir, thank you for taking out time.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So sir, first of all मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि हम फाउंडेशन कोर्स करा रहे हैं. सो फर्स्टली सर, फाउंडेशन कोर्स की सिग्निफिकेंस क्या होती है, फाउंडेशन कोर्स हमें क्यों करना चाहिए. एंड जैसे मैंने सर NCERT कोर्सेज बहुत देखे हैं, मैंने बेसिक कोर्सेज देखे हैं मार्केट में, बट जो फाउंडेशन कोर्स का आइडिया है वो हाउ इज़ अभिमन्यु IAS implementing the idea of foundation course?
Okay. So first of all, I would like to add to my introduction. Right? Apart from founders and chairmen, I am also chief mentor Abhimanyu.
Right.
So my task at Institute is to develop strategies, to develop new courses and study the changing trends. तो जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि what is this Agaz या foundation course क्या है, first of all I would like to mention that it is not simply a NCERT course. NCERTs are definitely relevant, वो तो करना ही है because they provide foundation for the content. But Agaz जो है ये it has come out of my 25 years of experience. इसमें I have taken into account the changing trends in civil services. When I'm saying I, that means team of Abhimanyu IAS, right? I am representing that team who have worked hard and who have ideated on this कि कैसे करना चाहिए. So see, experience हमारा ये कह रहा है कि exam जो है UPSC का in last 7-8 years, it has changed a lot. If you see the prelim exam and if you see the mains exam, there is a drastic change. Questions are not very simple. You see, if you see the cutoff of preliminary in 2024-23, the cutoff was 75 only out of 200, and in 2024 exam, which was relatively a simpler exam, the cutoff was only 88. And this year cutoff is again will be around 75 only or 70 even probably.
So that means the difficulty is increasing exponentially.
And then if you see the mains examination, again the same cutoffs are the trend. Only in last year the person who got 947 marks was into the list, which is even less than 50% marks. So that trend shows that the exam is of much more difficulty level. And students are in general scoring less.
जी.
जो लोग एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं अभी, they will definitely appreciate this thing. है ना. आप एक प्रीलिम दे चुके हो, 2 प्रीलिम दे चुके हो एंड यू आर नॉट अनेबल टू क्लियर, है ना, एंड मेंस दे चुके हो, नंबर नहीं आए, तो इट पिंचेस बिकॉज वी हैव बीन ऑल थ्रू दिस प्रोसेस. तो पिंच करता है ये बड़ा कि यार पढ़ रहे हैं 3 साल से लेकिन कुछ नहीं बन रहा, है ना. तो ये सब हमने स्टडी किया एंड पर्टिकुलरली ड्यूरिंग कोरोना पीरियड ऑल्सो एंड नाउ ऑल्सो. सो वी केम आउट विद अ स्ट्रेटेजी कि जो ये डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल है प्रीलिम का या मेंस का या डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, दे रिक्वायर अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फाउंडेशन.
जी.
Foundation which is not simply rooted in content like NCERT. Right? Since 2008 we have been telling students कि NCERT पढ़ो, NCERT पढ़ो. But this foundation is much more than that. Right? Because now a student requires a foundation which is different from simply NCERT. हम इस foundation course में we have added 2 components, strategizing, कि what should be the strategy of preparation which is unique for each student. So we are doing one-to-one mentorship, one-to-one counseling कि भाई आपकी strategy क्या रहनी चाहिए. Suppose you are in second year, your strategy is different. You are in third year, strategy is different. You are in +2, the strategy is different. Last year, strategy is different. And you are free preparing for civil services, the strategy is very different. Right? And you are doing post-graduation and you have done PhD, your strategy is very, and if you are doing job,
strategy is different.
It's different.
So, sir, continuing
and
on
along
this,
with strategy, one more thing I will add, sorry, the skills required.
Correct.
जो अब skills चाहिए उन questions को attempt करने के लिए वो different है. तो इस foundation course में we will also provide skills. जो skills हम चाहिए हमें इस exam को tackle करने के लिए, जिसकी वजह से people are not they are unable to clear the preliminary or the mains exam.
So what skills would be those? Just हमें
for that you have to do the course.
Okay,
so,
sir.
Because it's very difficult to summarize.
Yes. No, half big knowledge is not correct.
And moreover, we have kept this talent hunt initiative totally free of cost.
Okay, it's free of cost.
It's free of, because this is our first issue of talent hunt initiative and Agas, and we have kept it free. And you will not imagine the responses. Phenomenal.
Yeah, the team tells me we have crossed 500 plus students.
Yes, it's phenomenal
in the batch, and I see. If I gathering, for Abhimanyu IS 500 students is not a big deal, but those 500 students attending the classes.
So these 500 students are chosen students.
Yeah,
they are not just like this. I have given you a so to say a coupon and I am given 100% discount and people are joining. No.
Okay.
Each and every student has requested us that yes, I want to do a GAS. This is my name and this is my place and this is what I am doing. And then we have added him or her to the course.
Okay, so the team tells me कि हमने एक interview लिया था उसके basis पे
interview सबका नहीं लिया लेकिन sort of interview that yes आपको करना है ये.
Okay, right. So the response has been pretty overwhelming. So students का क्या review रहा है अभी तक आप जैसे interact sir? I hear that you are personally taking classes as much as possible.
Definitely. See, I'm more oriented towards strategy.
Right.
I'm not definitely into NCERT books. For that our very esteemed team is taking care. लेकिन मैं स्ट्रेटजी में हूँ और स्किल्स में हूँ जो मुझे लगता है कि इस एग्ज़ाम को तैयारी करने के लिए विच इज़ ऑफ माई लेवल एंड इट्स मोर देन 15 days नाउ एंड इट्स वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस and I'm really touched by the response of students and the kind of comments every day they give on the comment chain. They are really grateful and we are also grateful to them that yes, they are attending seriously, because you do see nowadays if some course is free, students are not serious about it. But we are lucky enough to get very serious students and who are attending regularly.
So, and sir, from all over India, the students are attending.
All over India.
You have been mentoring students since 1999, and you are one of the pioneers in UPSC coaching and EdTech in general and any other industry which matches. तो आप सर अभी आपने इतने सारे students को mentor किया है, नॉर्थ इंडिया में इतने सारे bureaucrats हैं. So I hear that you are not just shaping students to clear the UPSC exam, you are shaping them into good and basically good bureaucrats, good civil servants that fulfill their purpose, which is service to the society.
Definitely.
Service to the society and service to the public. तो सर जो अभी हमारे viewers हैं जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं उनके लिए क्या एक concluding message है जो आप दे सकते हैं, उनको क्या एक inclination आप कर सकते हैं कि you should go for this foundation course अगर आप इस level पे हैं, आप confused हैं preparation में, क्योंकि सर बहुत बच्चे तैयारी शुरू कर चुके हैं, एक उनका pit stop आ गया, वो burn out हो चुके हैं, उनको पता ही नहीं उनको क्या करना है, और government exams सारे ही इस time पे इतने मुश्किल हैं, not just UPSC sir, every government exam is very 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 difficult I would say.
First of all, see, Abhimanyu में हमने we are not simply providing coaching. That has been the really right from the beginning. my students will definitely appreciate that we have been inculcating values in
जी.
them. By just you're not, we have never considered UPSC as a job. It's a mission. Because see, these people, all the bureaucrats, they play a very important role in the development of the society, of the country as a whole, economy. So उनका role सिर्फ एक job का नहीं है. It's a passion which we have to, as teachers, we have to inculcate in them, right? And secondly, when we talk of foundation, then see, the main logic will I say why the student should do is that, see, for all these matters of strategy, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना, टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करनी है, मेंस आंसर राइटिंग कैसे करनी है, न्यूज़पेपर कैसे पढ़ना है, करंट अफेयर्स क्या है, बुक्स कौन सी पढ़नी है, फॉर ऑल दीज मैटर्स presently social media like YouTube, although they are doing a very good job, but at the same time they are confusing students. There are so many different types of lectures which are there that students ends up getting confused कि मैं क्या करूँ, right? So there lies the rationale of the foundation course, which is coming from people who have more than 25 years of experience in civil services, who have seen each and every step in UPSC, who have seen UPSC changing, who have seen students getting selected in physical classes.
Right.
So there lies the rationale actually. Why I will say that every student should do foundation is with us is that because we are authentic. We are having 25 years of experience. I'm myself personally looking after the entire program with my experience. So that is the rationale. And I don't hesitate in saying that. Because I also counsel students daily. So students come to me wasting their 3-4 years, then weeping before me. You see, you will find it very straight, boys and girls weeping before sitting before you. So we have wasted 3 years.
That's a very big thing in itself कि कोई आपके सामने आपके आके अपनी फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, नहीं कर सकते. टीचर में इतना ट्रस्ट होना, एक मेंटर में, जैसे कि आपने सर मुझे शुरू में बताया, मैंने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करा, जैसे कि मुझे टीम ने ब्रीफ किया था कि यू आर फाउंडर एंड यू आर द चेयरमैन ऑफ द ग्रुप, बट यू सेड नो, I am the mentor first of all. I am a teacher. I am a mentor. I am a guru. Yeah. So
तो यही बात है कि बच्चों को करना चाहिए फाउंडेशन ये. एंड देयर यू विल फाइंड ऑथेंटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन कि हाँ, आपको जो सारे आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चंस हैं, वंस यू आर स्टार्टिंग प्रिपरेशन और यू आर इनटू प्रिपरेशन, दे आर एक्चुअली डेल्ट बाय एक्सपर्ट्स, सो दैट यू डोंट सी फेल बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन. So my vision should be for foundation is that it's a preparation for an it's an informed preparation kind of a thing.
yeah.
कि you are doing a well informed preparation. ये नहीं है कि आपको एक साल बाद पता लगे अरे यार ऐसे लिख लेते, अरे यार ऑप्शनल पहले तैयार कर लेना चाहिए था, अरे यार मेंस का किया नहीं, अब प्रीलिम दे दिया, आगे पता नहीं क्या होगा. वेरी वेरी स्मॉल मिस्टेक्स. या अगर मैंने जॉब कर रहा हूँ, जॉब के साथ कैसे तैयारी करूँ, व्हाट शुड बी प्लानिंग.
तो सर जैसे करियर प्लान कर रहे हैं, अपनी प्रिपरेशन को भी वैसे ही प्लान करना है कि अटेम्प्ट कब देना है.
नाउ डेज इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे तैयारी कर रहे हैं जो जॉब कर रहे हैं. lot of students are preparing who are already doing graduation or post graduation. So for them this strategizing becomes very very important.
बहुत हैवी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब्स होती हैं सर, उसमें काम भी करना है, जैसे कि हम अभी रिसेंटली देख रहे हैं, बट इसका मतलब सर ये नहीं है कि उन्हें कुछ रोक सकता है. हमने रिसेंट में देखा है कि जो टॉप रैंकर्स हैं इवन वो कितने बड़े बड़े कॉर्पोरेट से आए हैं हमारे पास. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट नॉट हाउ मेनी आवर्स यू पुट.
It's all about doing right preparation. I always say that exam is nothing but a set of questions. Right? It's a very famous quote of mine. If you prepare well, you score well. The key word here is right preparation.
Yeah.
You should know what to prepare and what not to prepare.
Correct.
So here lies our importance. Okay. What not to prepare. So that you should not waste time and just spend 3-4 your precious years in preparation.
So we don't just tell you what to prepare. We also tell you what not to prepare. Okay.
That is a rather more important thing.
More important.
Because your media is flushed with so much content. ये भी पढ़ लो, ये भी पढ़ लो, ये भी, and Telegram see.
Yeah, correct.
See, I see my students sitting in my library also, and they are just madly downloading content, and just keeping their laptops and their mobiles are filled with content. और वो बैठ के देखे जा रहे हैं arbitrary lectures and reaching nowhere because all are not under an umbrella of strategy. They are not strategizing. They are just gobbling up content, thinking that they will clear the prelim, and they are unable to clear the prelim. So my last message will be to, if you are starting preparation, you go for this talent hunt initiative called August and just go for it blindly. You will get all authentic information. At least you will have a channel through which you can get authoritative and factually correct and focused answers to your queries.
जी.
बाकी प्रिपरेशन जैसे मर्जी करें, आप सेल्फ स्टडी करें, कोचिंग लें, बुक्स पढ़ें, कैसे भी करें, बट एटलीस्ट आपकी फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग होगी तो यू विल नॉट फेल. दैट्स द आइडिया.
Thanks a lot, sir, for taking out time with us, and this was a very productive discussion. And we will continue to have such discussions with you, sir.
Thank you very much.
And we will continue to put more content so that more and more people can benefit out of it. Our agenda, I would like to say in the end, is not just promotion, it is spreading an idea, spreading a message to the larger number of aspirants who are preparing these days for the UPSC exam and frankly for any other exam
You
as
see,
well.
Janna, all the students of Agaz are there with me on this WhatsApp, and they message me regularly, and I answer. Sometimes
Okay.
it goes up to 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. also.
So you also check this inbox
Yeah,
regularly?
no, all the queries of Agaz are with me only.
Okay.
Students directly ask me questions because I have taken this responsibility. See? Continuously answering. Again, I can't answer now, sorry. I will call you back.
So if you're watching this video, whoever called, whoever aspirant who is, baffled with their queries, जिनको दिक्कत हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा counseling की
I
ज़रूरत.
always say, don't call me, just give me a voice message.
give sir. And sir, this booklet.
This is a message I give. Please don't call me. You just can leave a voice message or a text message. I will definitely answer. And I will call if you. So please don't call me.
Okay. So sir, tell us a bit about this as a last thing.
This is a small starter kit we have made. And it contains a lot of things which you require in your preparation, although seems to be very small. But it has a lot of tentacles going out. We have given very good links in this, book list also, then descriptions and all those things. You will really enjoy it, right?
And sir, कैसे register करें अब इस talent hunt के लिए?
अरे वो आप बाद में देख, वो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देना, मुझसे मत पूछो.
Okay.
I am not here for marketing. You have already, I told you in the beginning.
Okay. So if you want to get this booklet, it is available at our Chandigarh center, and you can definitely get this. It is
और डिस्क्रिप्शन
very
में देख
helpful.
लेना. मैं इतना जरूर कहता हूँ, चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करो और नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करो. That much I can say.
Yeah, it's free.
And keep in touch with us.
Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.
Thank you.